Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2 Minute Gutenberg, and in this video we'll learn how to use the list block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. To type your list, just click on the plus sign and go to common blocks and select list. Type your list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4, list 5, list 6. This is an unordered list. If you want to make it ordered, just select your list and click this option, which will convert your list to the ordered list. See, your list is ordered. If you want to make any of your elements to be indented, just select your item and click this option. Your item is indented. If you want to strike through this item, just click this strike through, and down if you can make your list item bold, italic, or hyperlink. You can type your URL here, GutenDev.com, or anything you want. And if you want to see the update, just click this update button and or publish button, and you post. Your post is here. You can see your anchor link is working and everything is working. So if you have any question regarding WordPress, Gutenberg, or any kind of blogs, you can write it down below and we'll be happy to answer you. Till then, goodbye.